Hello, I'm Lilith from B2J. I'm doing content management and writing a blog for B2J blog. And if you haven't checked out my blog post, please do it so by going to www.b2j.com/blog. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our greatest and yummy template, the B2J food mood. Please mind again, this is not an in-depth developer-friendly tutorial. I aim to introduce you to the great features and great extensions used for this template. So stay tuned, and I have a great surprise for you waiting. Joomla Gourmet, get ready for some J treat of taste and passion. Alright, let's scroll down and see the great features used for this template. Here they are. This template is super responsive, it is retina ready, it has great typography and SEO features, it has been built on great T3 framework, and of course it has cross-browser compatibility. And here are the mighty B2J extensions used for this great template, and they are B2J Calendar for K2, B2J Aquarius Layer Slider, B2J Alpha Image Gallery Pro, B2J Social Share plugin, and of course our newly released B2J Contact component, which is a great source for creating online forms. Okay, I hope you're tempted to try this template, so let's get to the demo and feel the deliciousness in action. So Food Mood is a great Joomla 3 ready restaurant template for K2 built on the powerful T3 framework. So this fully responsive template will lead you just a click away from having an elegant website for your hospitality business. It's actually been a while that we have been cooking this in our kitchen, and being perfectionists, we strive to give the best out of what we can. So Food Mood has been designed and tested, and I even would say tasted thoroughly. So ladies and gentlemen, get introduced to the Food Mood, and you can see the great custom logo by designed by the great designer of this template, Hovo, and you can see that the homepage starts with another great slider from B2J, B2J Aquarius Layer Slider, and you can change it manually with the arrows right over here. And we have included some text field for you to have a more explicit description for the image, like Chicago Annual Food and Wine Festival. Right below you can see the text field for you to fill in maybe some call to action or some introduction to your hospitality business. And we have included some menu tabs right over here, like some maybe you want to have listed your team on your homepage, or some special events, anything that people would be really interested in. And if they are, they can always click on view more and have a more detailed view. And on a homepage you will always find the today's special, so people would be tempted to come in that very day and try it. And of course on the right side you can see the price, so they know how much money they need to have in their pocket. Customer review, which is a great and I think a must-have for a food business, like to know what people have been experiencing with. So you know, do you need to go in, or maybe you should wait. And of course we have this great slider right over here with this great and tempting food, just calling you to try them. And on the sidebar you can see the opening hours, so people know when they are expected to come in. A module for the JFlicker by Joomla Bamboo, loading your images, the contact us information, and different social media and icons, and of course a Google Map so people know where your office is. And right over here you can see the custom module from B2J for the demos. And not only, because we have different color presets for you to play with and choose to fit your website needs. And let me go with the maroon one. Here you are. You can see the great color preset used. I'm actually gonna change it by default because I really prefer that one. And let me go on introducing this great and delicious template. Let me go to the menu which is one of the most important part of this template. And we have got a really nice organized way listed in the categories right over here. We have tech clouds on the right side, we have K2 comments, and you can see a really nice icons, again custom designed by our designer for the side dishes, appetizers, breakfast, anything. And if you haven't noticed, some really special treats are waiting for you in the single item view, which I'm not gonna reveal right now, but I will do it in a little bit later. So first of all, let me go and introduce you another pages, and I'll treat you, I'll give you a special treat at the end. Okay, so as you can see on the drop down, we have two gallery mode, 3 column and 4 column. Let me go to with the 3 column one, and here you are, B2J Alpha Image Gallery Pro, a really great slider with the tag options. Like if you're looking for a meat, here you are, it filters it, or if you're looking for some veggies, again. And you can always have the option of magnifying it to have more detailed information, or maybe share it, or just flip it and have a more detailed view. I really got crazy about this specific template, so you can see a really nice descriptions right over here. For instance, about the Schenkelabrat. This is kind of hint for you to know what to expect at the end. Like, it is a flatbread with a variety of fresh herb, and it is a special treat from Nagorno-Karabakh, which is part of Armenia. Actually, it's an independent state, but it used to be part of Armenia. Okay, well, let's not go to the history, but let's go to the history of deliciousness, and let me introduce you the great K2 views it has got, because food mode has been built around K2 component for Joomla. Okay, well, let me go to the K2 item view, single item view, and you can see it right over here. But I'm not gonna scroll down. I will show you this view at the end. So let me go to the category view, and you can see we have different category views. The menu one we have already covered, but let me show it again. Okay, and the events I'm gonna show you in this versions, and let me do it right now. So we have two versions for the events. This is kind of a blog style, so you can blog about your corporate party or some fancy event, or maybe some annual festival that you are hosting. And on the right side you can see the K2 comments people like nice spot for a Friday night, or somebody posted Wi-Fi pass, so I use it. And we have tech clouds right over here, and with the help of the B2J newsloader, we have some recent news loaded on the right side, and of course our B2J calendar for K2. And you can always have the option to subscribe to an RSS feed. Let me go to the second version, and again, here you are. This is a picture on the left side, so you can see that it's a bit of a smaller, and on the category you can have some intro text right over here, and on the right side you can have B2J calendar, tabs listed again, and tag cloud. Okay, here are the pages. As you can see, this template is really an extended one. So let me go to the reservation, which is one of the important and crucial parts of this template. So for instance, for me, I really like to check out the website for the restaurant I'm about to go, and to see if they have an option to reserve beforehand for my guests. So you can fill in your information, the dates, a number of guests, and even choose a non-smoking or smoking areas, and submit it. Okay, just to reserve it beforehand. And the second great page is our team. To give thanks, appreciate, and why not demonstrate your great stuff, starting from general manager up to cook, waitress, and chef. To have some background information about them, their great photos, and of course so that people can find them on different social media platforms. Okay, and of course, if you value your history, you definitely need to have this web page for your food business to list your philosophy, maybe talk about your founders, and of course your goals. This is all about values, and a great custom design for a 4-page from, again, Bank2Joom. We're sorry the page you're looking for can be found, but you always have the option to return to the home page. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and any case, you can search the documentation if you need some hints on how to use this great template. And let me go to the module variations and show you the great modules used for this template. As you can remember, this is the B2J Aquarius layer slider from the homepage, and on the right is the B2J calendar for K2. Then comes tab listings for this, and B2J Alpha Image Gallery Pro slider again at the bottom of the homepage. Another one for the gallery and Tech Cloud. And of course, we have also included a JFlicker module from Joomla Bamboo and Google Map module, so people know where you're located. And let me go to the typography and show you the great typography used for this template. Here they are: the headings, H1, H2, the drop cap, block quotes, lists. This is another hint of what you are to expect right now. System messages and highlights. And this is the great typography in just one template. I'm not gonna go to the context. Let me give you the special treat I promised. Okay, let me go to the menu. Okay, and let me choose from this variety of cuisine one special treat for you. We have included some Armenian, and not only Armenian items, so use it wisely. And here we go. Let me go to soups and to sopas. Sopas is a creamy tart filling and soup served warm in the winter and chilled during summer months. It's really popular and traditional meal in Armenia. And right over here you can see the social share plugin. You can see the price, and you know how much you're going to pay for it. You have the categories organized right on the right side, the tech cloud, K2 comments, some great typography used for this template, and I got really detailed into this, and I have some really nice information about the items itself, from Armenian cuisine and not only, and some quotes about spas. And here you go, your treat. Guess what? You can actually cook with us with our great template food mood. You have the ingredients, and they are all as you should have, and the preparation methods. So cook with us, and these are the lists I have been showing you in the typography. So here is a special treat from Bank2Joom to all J users and Joomla gourmets. Use it wisely. And you can see a bit of an information about the author over here. Okay, so let me go to the contacts and show you how people can get in touch with you. Of course, the Google Map module showcasing your office, so people know where you're located. B2J contact component, so people can write a message and send it to you to give some feedback or whatever. Some information to find you on the social media, and of course some additional information like people need to know before getting in contact with you. And you can always search right over here if you need help with this great template. Okay, so these were the tastes and flavors of food mode. With food mode, you can present your food business with clean and minimalistic style from Bank2Joom. So, you know what? You can get the needed information, look for recipes, even add some use the traditional Armenian dishes recipes, use the ingredients and preparation method, and become a real Joomla cook. I hope you really felt in love with this template as I did, and I really hope that you liked this tutorial. Please give some feedback in the forms of comments or emails or whatever you think. And I hope you haven't forgotten to check out my blog at www.banktojoom.com/blog, and have a great day. Bye bye.